So hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's going to take Willin and Willie out. If you're not familiar with my channel, it's horse stuff with Jeff, and it's just kind of whatever I'm doing with horses that day. So today I'm going to take these guys out. I got some kids that might be coming over later to go for a drive, take them out for a little sleigh ride. But I want to take them out now and kind of knock the wind out of them a little bit so they're behaved. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and I just got to get their boots on and get hooked up, and then we'll get rolling. Hey guys, just got to put my reins on. I was gonna say, if you're ever doing this kind of stuff, like I'm just kind of learning here as I go too, and I watch my YouTubes. I don't watch them too often, but I kind of watch them and I pick a lot of little things out that I can't see from where I'm sitting. And I'm sure there's stuff that you guys see that I don't, because I don't know. But like my reins, with this guy being the taller horse, I was always putting his rein underneath his. Is that right? Yeah, and then it's always pulling up on his rein. So it's like, so if I put his rein under his, I'll show you here. And then the other thing I do is I got a little red marker on that one. And red's for the right side. So, because right now these horses here are set up pretty good. I normally don't like having knots in there because I'm always afraid I'm going to get my leg hooked in there, and then if something breaks loose on me. And the other thing I noticed I'd worked on for quite a while is this here tongue or pole was too short, and I could hear these guys hitting it, and they're hitting it with their front leg. And there. So I moved the evener back as far as I could. Still wasn't enough. So then I added on to the front, and that seemed to have worked it out pretty good. And then, like I say, this tongue that I've got, or the pole that I have, and the eveners and all that, that goes on all my stuff except for my red cart. All of my wagons, I'm set up. It's all good. Plus, for storing these things, I don't have all these poles sticking out and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, we'll get these on tied and get rolling. Yeah, so yeah, oops, sorry about that, but so yeah, watch your videos, and then you can see you can see different than you can see from up there anyway. So I got their boots on them. It's not too bad. It's not icy. It's just packed. And I had to go around. I had to go around this morning. I spent most of the morning in the skid steer, trying to get all the snow drifts, because it's been so windy here. Trying to get all the snow drifts busted back on my trails and my road, my driveway even. It took me most of the morning. I thought I had gloves, but I don't know. I guess I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Here they are. So I just gotta take these guys out and see if I can wear them down a little bit, and then I'll see if those kids are coming. I haven't been on this thing for a long time. Back, 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 back. There you go. Whoa. Okay, walk up. Quiet. Yeah, the drifting through here was really bad. That's good, boys. You be quiet. Jack. There you go. Whoa. Okay, walk up. Walk up. Yeah, so the Hutterite kids came over from up the road, and I took them out on the sleigh, and then we got the white horses, Thunder and Lightning, got them out, and they led them around and rode them all over the place, and yeah, we just had a blast. It was a lot of fun. So there was about 9 kids, I think, showed up, and I was gonna video them. So I was gonna see if it was all right, and I didn't get around to because I was kind of busy. I had a lot of kids there and stuff, and then so the one lady, she's gonna send me some pictures and stuff. They took a bunch of pictures, so yeah, if I get those, I'll put them on another video so you can see. But yeah, it was a lot of fun anyway. But but anyway, till next time, you guys have a good one.